Hi, hello. Today I wanted to provide more update on this eCapture project. And so there are new releases here with some new feature. And for example, one of the feature is this support the Golang HTTPS introspection. Okay, so this feature I'm interested to test. And so let's look at this feature. So it basically we can run eCapture to decrypt the Golang-based SSL or TLS client application. So I'm going to do a quick demo today to show the feature. And so this feature is included in the release. So it's released in version 0.2.0, but I'm going to run the release, this most recent release 0.2.2. And so I included this release in the netshoot pod project I forked from the GitHub. So this is how I included the most recent eCapture release in the netshoot pod repository. So basically just downloaded the most recent eCapture release and copy it to another pod. Okay, so here is my I already built the netshoot pod with the eCapture release included, and I pushed this netshoot pod image into the Docker repo. So now here's again my netshoot pod manifest file. And so this is how I deploy the netshoot pod with the eCapture included in the Kubernetes cluster. So here again, this is the image from the Docker Hub. And notice here I have the security context with a privilege. And also, yeah, and also I mount the host /root path into the netshoot pod, so I can access the host files. Okay, so yeah, basically that's all you needed to deploy the netshoot pod. So I already deployed the netshoot pod, and now I'm going to run this command to run the eCapture in the netshoot pod. Okay, so exec into the netshoot pod and run the eCapture TLS command argument. So this is a new feature we are going to test, the --go bean, which is to specify your Golang-based app with like a Golang-based app with TLS library. Okay, and at the same time, I'm also going to test the open SSL library based collection. Okay, so with this eCapture, you can decrypt both Golang-based app and or any other program that has open SSL library dynamically linked. So again, here I have I'm linked to the host side libSSL. Okay. So I'm going to run this command, run this eCapture command, and then we got some output here first. This is for the new feature, prop Go SSL. So Golang-based SSL collection. And we also have SSL library capture. So now let's run the test. So here I have a Golang-based SSL TLS collection. So this is just a basic Golang that calls TLS library, Golang TLS package. Okay, so I'm going to send a request to one of my HTTP SSL server. So yeah, just send a GET request, and let's see if the eCapture can capture the GET request from this Golang app. So I'm going to build this Golang-based HTTPS client. Okay. So now I'm going to run again the Go bean. Here the Go bean specify the path to the Golang-based HTTPS client. Okay. So now I'm going to run this and see if we can. So I get some request back, and with this HTTPS client, Golang-based program. So let's see on the eCapture side, we have this we capture the GET request. So it decrypted the request successfully. Okay, and all right. So, but you noticed I have the response request. So here is the request. Here is the response from the SSL server. Okay. But I only get the GET request. I don't get the response from the decryption, the collection decryption. So this is one of the limitation for this feature. So you can only get the GET request. The request, you cannot get the response. So that's one of the limitation. Also, this Golang-based HTTP client program, when you compile it, you have to compile it with the debug symbol. What I mean by that. So if I run file, so you can see here, this is the ELF executable binary. And here at the end, it shows not strict, which means this binary, Golang binary program has debug information in this binary. So we can also look at the user obj dumps the symbol of this. So we can see there is a function in here from this symbol. And so we can, it also include all the crypto functions. That's why the eCapture can decrypt the SSL collection from this Golang program. So if I build this program with script argument, for example, if I'm going to rebuild this program with this argument, this is to strip the symbol. So I rebuild the program, and then now let's look at use obj dump to dump the symbol. And you can see here, there is no symbol table, no function name or anything like that. So now, if you run eCapture wanted to look at this HTTPS client, and it will give you error. So here is the error. Where's the error? Okay, so here is the error. It says prop go SSL initialization failed, decoding DARF section info at offset 0 too short. So this is basically means the eCapture is trying to get a symbol information from the Golang program, but it couldn't find any symbol. So yeah, that's basically what it means. And so if we run this program again, and the eCapture will not capture the GET request. See, nothing happened here. Okay, so that's another limitation. I wouldn't say limitation. It's just the way that, like the eCapture, to use eBPF uprop, it is sort of require the symbol to be presented in the program, or you have to manually calculate the offset. So here, actually, I opened an issue ticket here, and the feature developer answered here. It says if we needed to, if the Golang program is strict, you can manually calculate the offset in the binary yourself. So this may not be easy to do, but yeah, you can do it. So anyway, this is a limitation, and but yeah, it is nice to have this feature. So at least you can decrypt request from eCapture. So I think it's cool. And yeah, so and you can try, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.